police.
That's disgusting, bro. No. See,
These
now
guys are onto
you're
an
exposing
Right,
it.
you're exposing the trick.
Atlanta, Georgia. This guy follows someone's wife home.
Oh, what the
Now
fuck?
he's like sitting in the backyard, just sitting there. The husband doesn't know what to do.
Fucking call the cops.
Well, I know what to do. I tell him to get lost.
You chasing my wife, bro? You
Right,
chasing?
bro.
You gonna chase
What
these
the-
hands? Nah, bro.
Glendale, Arizona. Yeah, this is that same.
How
guy
you
from
gonna be
yesterday's
like this?
episode. He's still
Come like
trying to
this,
damage
and then-
somebody's ring doorbell.
Yeah.
Yeah, he must be up to something. Albany, New York. Yeah, we got a late night doorknob wiggler.
What the?
Don't think for a second that creeps aren't outside your door wiggling your knob when you're inside sleeping. This is just proof.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, make sure you keep those doors locked.